seated, please. Permanecer sentados, por favor.
My boss just drove by.
Oh, wow. Did she recognize you?
She didn't even look.
Oh. In her own little world. I don't think this light's gonna change. We're not triggering it.
Because we're too light in the ass.
This is, push a button.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
It's changing.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
It's the purpose.
Oh, well.
Alright. Oh, maybe not.
No, what the heck? What the heck is this light? This light is insane! This is the dumbest light I've ever seen! Is it gonna change now?
No, it's green for them.
Dude, it's still red.
It's gonna turn green for that guy turning. Told ya.
Okay. Are we next?
Hope so. Tell you, we're too light in the ass. Change the light.
Or how about now?
No, it's green for them.
Holy shit. Push the button. Hurry, push the button.
I'm gonna run, give me a chance.
Run like your life depended on it. It'll probably turn green as soon as you hit the button, so you have to run back quick. Hurry.
I'm coming! Ah!
It's turning.
Oh, it's beyond.
We did it!
I am not distracted.
We made it!